Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be painting these Russian nesting dolls. Let's get into it. Okay, now let's put out some newspaper so we don't go getting paint all over this table. Okay, now for the paint. Okay, so now let's get to painting. I think I'm going to do a variety of different cute-looking cats. So let's get started on that. Okay, just to check in, after about maybe 45 minutes, that's how long it took me, no time to finish this one, so I think it looks really adorable. Next is, as you can see, a white cat, and there's a black cat, and then there's a ginger cat, and then, I'm not sure about the last one, one is going to be like a little mouse, but then I'm not sure, the reference photo I'm looking at only has 5, and I have 6, so I'm going to see what I'm going to do with the extra one. So I think I'm going to move on to the white one. The white one's actually going to be a lot easier than this one. It's not going to have as much like different colors. It's more going to be just like white and some outlining for eyes and stuff. So I'm going to go start that. Okay, so second update, I've just finished the second cat. This is the little white cat, it looks so cute. If you want to sit down for a second, you can see it. So now I have to move on to the black cat. Okay, so now the black cat is done. I think it looks really cute. Hold it up closer so you can see. Now I'm gonna have to do the ginger cat. And now we have the teeny weeny little ginger cat. Now let's move on to the last two. And here are the last two. Oh wait, you can't see them. Let's zoom in. Okay, there we go. That's a little bit better. So as you can see how big they are compared to my finger. This is the little mouse, and this is the little ocelot. That's what I'm calling it at least, because it looks like the ocelot's from Minecraft. Okay, now let's look at them all together. Okay, now that you've seen those nice close-up shots, seen all the details of it, I really enjoyed this project, even though I didn't actually build anything. It was fun to do just a painting. So there's not templates or anything, of course. If you want to use mine as a reference photo, or maybe if you want to Google and find a photo of someone else's, if you want to make this yourself. I ordered these Russian nesting dolls off of Amazon, and they came as a 6-piece. Let me just break them open again for you. Just show you real quick all the different ones. And here we go, the last one. So that's what it looks like. Let's put this one like this. Hope you did enjoy. Please do make sure to subscribe. Go to my channel if you want to check out any of the other cool videos. So please do subscribe, check out those videos, and I'll see you next time.